it's not the journey that is tiring, but those stones in your shoes that cause the most discomfort are the culprit. Put that into the perspective of biking. You have your motorbike ready, you have your adventure plan ready, but the gears, the luggage that you have is going to cause much of discomfort, eventually leading you to a very bitter experience. So in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you around with the luggage setup that I have done for my bike. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Philip. I have been riding this motorcycle for the past 3 years, and this is the setup that I have created for all the adventures that I want to do and I have done before. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smaller one. This is the magnetic tank bag. The capacity is 6 liters. This is mainly for me to keep all my electronic equipments handy, and my wallet and my keys and few emergency things like maybe a small first aid kit or some kind of wet tissues to wipe my face off when I'm riding continuously and I feel tired and I don't want to mess around with the bigger luggage when I've just stopped for a few minutes. So this tank bag is from GV. Now again, there are so many tank bags available in the market from different brands, but why I have chosen GV is because of the smaller structure. I didn't want the bulkier ones. I wanted something very concise which goes well with the shape of the bike and easy to slap on. That's it. Coming to the tail bag, this is a 32-liter tail bag from Endurestein. It is 100% waterproof. It's made of very highly durable rubberized abrasion resistive material, which I have ridden for 3.5-4 hours in complete rain and not even a single drop of water had gone inside. Saddlebags, these are from Viaterra. Both hold a capacity of 26 liters on each side, so it's 52 liters. They are concise again. I didn't want a bulkier one to protrude on either side of the bike, so they serve the purpose. This setup is basically for my 10 to 12 days of ride. Everything is in it. There's my laptop, there's my additional dress like thermals if you're going to a very colder place, or your food, emergency food, quick protein bar or some kind of juice, so you can just quickly take out, drink, eat and then hit the road again. Yeah, so if you're planning to go for a saddle bag, I would recommend you to put a proper saddle stay so that the bags hold firmly for thousands of kilometers without any hiccups. Or what happens is they tend to move around and basically they will get loose when you're riding, and your concentration will be like, is the bag properly tied, is the bag right? So to avoid all that hassle, I think you need to have a proper saddle stay where the bags are mounted and you are tension free and you are focused on the road ahead. This is how pretty much the setup looks like, and it is very concise. It doesn't look bulky on your bike. It doesn't mess up with the aesthetics of the bike. And when you're riding, especially with such luggage, your tail bag, your side saddle bags, you tend to get some kind of shakiness on the road when you're hitting those 3-digit speeds. With these luggage mounted securely, you'll be able to control that shakiness when you're speeding. With the right kind of luggage, it is also very crucial that you have proper riding gloves. I use Rhinox full gauntlet leather gloves. These pretty much protect me from the dust, the gravel, the small pebbles that come flying on you. And since it is full gauntlet, you'll get that additional protection when you're riding in night when it's cold. Your hands are completely wrapped around and there's no air getting into your jacket. Make sure when you're buying these gloves, it has the pinky bridge, so that in the event of fall, your fingers are safe, especially the little finger. So this is very important. Buy the gloves which has pinky bridge. there's no compromise in it. So two very important thing for those longer adventures: full gauntlet gloves that can protect you from all the external factors, and a pinky bridge. You're good to go. When it comes to helmet and you want to ride the entire country, you need to invest in a good helmet. This is the helmet that I have is LS2. This is a KPA Shield helmet. This is pretty durable. Now what I have done is I have put a chin mount and a J-lock for my POV shots through the action camera, and I have an intercom. This is a C30 from Blue Armor. Does its job. Whenever I have spoken with people, they have told me that they don't get to know that I'm riding and talking. So just imagine, when I'm in that 3-digit speed also, there's not much disturbance going on to the person that I'm speaking to. So I think this serves the purpose for entry-level riders. The jacket and pant are from Rhinox. These are level 2 certified gears. So in the event of fall, this is gonna support me on the elbow, the shoulder, the chest, the back, the hips, the thighs, everything. So this is pretty much a solid starter level setup that I have created for my biking. So all in all, do a proper research, thoroughly understand what is your requirement, because each and everyone's requirements are different. Even though the larger objective is to carry your luggage in a convenient and safer way and ride, but depending on the riding style and your personal preferences and the pretty much the shape of the bike, there are numerous brands that can offer all these luggages. Please do proper research and see what best fits into your budget, your liking, and then go for it. Yeah, so pretty much this is a setup that I have on my bike. Let me know what you think and what are your questions. If you have anything, then please shoot in the comments.